Let's check this cable if it's working fine or not. Put this in your adapter. Switch on the button and connect it to your phone. And see, it's working fine. I've been told that this cable supports fast charging. This cable is 1.5 meter long. You can have a look at it. It's really long cable. Let's check this cable in case of data transferring. Connect it to your phone. See, it's working fine. It will ask for your permission. Allow it. And see, it is connected to my PC. I will let you know the data transmission speed.